Happy 4th of July. This is the final stash update for 2019. We'll start off here with the crackers. Found a new brand that I've never heard of, Snake Bite. So we're going to try out those. We got the Boomer version of Thunder Bombs and World Class Fireworks Class Crackers. And then over here, this isn't all of them, but I found 21 packs of roller coaster, pretty old. Tried them out and the fuse was really fast. So I added some fuse to it and that made it a little faster to get away and be able to enjoy it more, and they are loud. Over here we've got sliders, and we've got some different versions of Adult Snaps, Power Pops by Grand Patriot, some more torpedoes, and then some Zap Snaps by Snake Bite. And found these little babies here, Black Beauty Super Loud Crackers. Notice the placement of the fuse. And then over here we've got a nice little gag gift, the Fart Bomb. Looking forward to seeing what that does. And then we've got a bomb bag. And then starting here with our fountains and strobes, we have Amazing. We used that one last year and it was awesome. Cracker Barrel, probably the best bang for your buck that you can get. We're always pleased when we can find that one. And we're trying out the Night Saber this year, handheld fountain. And somewhere over here, oh yeah, we have the Flame of Freedom by Snake Bite. That's another handheld fountain. Then we have a ticking time bomb and Bonkers. And then Just Another Stinkin' Fountain by Showtime. It's supposed to be a really long lasting, kind of like Never Ending Fountain by World Class. This is my youngest boy's favorite fountain, Frog Prince. He likes to get one of these every year. Tried out these last year and we enjoyed them. Bug Zapper. And then the Ladybugs. I think these are the Boomer version. And we found some 2-hour punks. So we'll be using those tonight. Got some fluorescent sparklers. Got 2 different versions of Jack in the Box. And I don't even know if I know who they're by. Nothing. So, if you know anything about them or if you care, you can talk to me about them. Got the Big Pro Strobe. We got Extreme Ground Bloom by Major League Pyro. And they're supposed to have a surprise at the end. Then we have the Sunflower, Spin World, and of course the old standby Black Snakes. Then we have a 2-color spaceship. We have Worm World, which is by Snake Bite, and I think it's just supposed to be, I'm sorry, I'm not showing it very well. It's supposed to be a bunch of snakes in there. Got Utter Chaos by Black Cat. And over here we have Star Blazer, I think is what it's called, by Showtime, maybe? Star Blazer. Can't see who it's made by. And another version, Dancing Jitterbug. Dancing Jitterbug. And then we found the buzz killers, the actual ones. And we have whistling chaser. Got zoomers. And my youngest also has to get this every year, the poopy puppy. We also call our dog that, who's not really a puppy anymore, but he's been our poopy puppy for a long time too. So we always enjoy this one. Over here we've got some smoke. Got a big version of smoke and a chick stick by World Class, red rhino version, and then their hog wild version there of mammoth smoke, and then our favorite smoke, gushing smoke by World Class. Up top here we have Kitty Hawk. I've always wanted to try this one. We have the Batmobile, and Batman is my guy, so when I saw this, had to get it. This was thrown in for free, Air Force by Big. We've got a Turbo Tractor by Snakebite, and we've got the Millennium Falcon by Big. And over here we have a huge Saturn missile battery by World Class. And down below it we have a 300 shot Saturn missile battery by Grand Patriot. And I think it's supposed to be color, so looking forward to that. And then I'm going to show you this while I'm here. It's a 500 gram fountain by Shogun called Tailgate Party, and I just think it's really cool. I'm a football guy, and that's my team right there. Big T Pyro, I think you would appreciate that if you ever watch this. Over here we've got some missiles. Got the 10-inch, I think it's 10-inch, I don't know. It's a Star Shooter by World Class. Got the Tomahawk. And we've got our favorite parachute, Geronimo. Love the lift charge on this one. And we have a 500 gram. I've never heard of this one before, but I like to think that my boys would have gotten it for me if they saw it. Super Dad by Big. And then we're going to move over here to the 200 grams, and that'll finish us up here. This one was high on my list. I finally found it. Actually here in my hometown, so Matrix Pyro by Brothers. And also high on my list is Old Ironsides by Brothers. Think of that maybe a 350. This is my oldest boy's favorite. He picked this out when he was little, and we get it every year that we can find it. Reckless by World Class. Had to get this one because this is how my wife feels this time of year. Angry Wife by World Class. And then we got a Joel Robinson favorite, Bump Bear by Winda. Cobra Kai by No Mercy. Loud and Proud by Sonic Boom. Smoke Dragon by Winda. And Is Good by Power Source. And I think I missed some stuff here, so forgive me. We'll go over here and finish it up. We got the Flamethrower by World Class. We've got the Handful by Black Cat. Flashing Thunder by Big. And Roman Candle with Bang by Big. Atomic Boom by Sonic Boom. I'm hoping for good things from these. So happy 4th of July to everyone. On top of this stuff, we had previously released 2 other stash videos, and we're looking forward to having a great time tonight. Hope you guys have a great time also.